You wake up, you realize it's raining, you've got a full day of details. You realize you can't detail in this. So what do? Take the day off? Nope. A rain day is a business day, just a different kind. First of all, reach out to your customers, reschedule them ASAP, and now it's time to pivot. It's the perfect time to take care of things that make your business run. Catch up on paperwork, reconcile your banks, update your invoices, get your financials in check. Remember, the detailing business is 40% detailing, 60% business. Next, hit your van. It's time to organize it, clean it. Take an inventory, what chemicals you need, replenish your chemicals. Restock your supplies and get to it. This is a great time to do oil change on your generator or your van. It's also a great time to change the grease in your rotary polishers. Rainy days aren't wasted days. They're a great opportunity to level up your business. So don't sit back, use your time wisely. Catch up, then you'll hit the ground running when it stops raining. So tell me, what's your go-to rainy day details? What do you do? Leave it in the comments. If you found this topic interesting, hit like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.